Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit Instagram Reel using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone. And if you want to create Instagram Reel, actually you can use template from the CapCut. Here you will be able to access a lot of templates you can use to edit or to create your Instagram Reel. You just need to explore the template and then you can choose the template and you will be able to customize the template. Just click on use template and you can replace it with your own photos or videos. Okay, and if you want to create your own video editing, you can just go to the new project and then you can choose the video or photo you want to edit. For example, I'm just going to create Instagram Reels with photo. I'm going to create like a photo slideshow. Wait guys, I'm going to select photo from this pins folder and I'm going to import some photos to my project. Wait, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and I'm going to click on add to add the photos to the CapCut project. Okay, I think I'm going to delete this one. Okay, and for Instagram Reel, you have to select this ratio 9:16. Okay, and then I'm going to add transition. We can select the transition menu and choose the transition that you like. And I'm just going to select the slide transition. I'm gonna go with this one. Alright, and if you want to apply one transition to all your photos, you can click on apply to all. Okay, this is the result. And then I'm going to add music as well to my Instagram Reel. Go to audio, go to sounds, and I'm going to select music from the CapCut. I'm going to select the healing category. Okay, and then I'm just going to select this one. Don't forget to download the music before you add it. Okay, and this is the final result. You can also add tags if you want. And once you're ready, you can click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Instagram Reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.